Hey y'all, real deal, Willies and Akins. We have a Ford Expedition behind us, and this is the way the Expedition should be. This is magnetic. They haven't brought carbonized over to the Expedition yet. This is our Covert Edition 3-inch lifted on 35s. And look at this front end. You would think this is better than a Platinum. This is an XLT vehicle, but the front end makes a statement from the get-go. Just like our customers that's buying this vehicle, his other truck. So we have Mr. Jason Sims. This is his wife's Expedition, but Dayton, who's filming, sold him before. Tell us a little bit about it, Dayton.
Yes, sir. Jason, I appreciate you letting us build this one for your wife, the second build. You know, we did a nice build here, put the fuel wheels, paint matched the lights, grill, tail lights are tinted out, and one special thing is we did the rear entertainment for the kids, so I know you'll enjoy it.
Absolutely, going to enjoy it. Now that lithium gray Super Duty was actually a chrome packaged lithium gray truck, and we transformed it like you see before you. How epic is that? That truck went from a chrome packaged truck to this diamond right here that you see, and then we took this boring basic XLT truck and turned it into a diamond, y'all. So the video today is about reviewing this bad boy because the wife had to get a little bit of action there. The wife was like, honey, you got this truck. Now I need a little bit of Wild Willie's Covert Edition action. So I love the family affair, y'all. That's awesome right there. So up front, this grill was chrome with textured black and gray and a big long valence down here at the bottom too. And this was textured black where your fog lights are located at. And there was nothing but chrome in the headlight right here. And it was just so not good, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, the Expedition drives phenomenal. If there's a vehicle you want to take anywhere with comfort and style, it's an Expedition. But a Covert Edition, this sucker is bad, y'all. I'm telling you. You don't see these vehicles on the road very much. Like, this is we did the Stormtrooper, we did the all black, we did the red line, and now this beauty right here. Well, I got to throw a little bit of love to Laurie in Madison County because she has one just like this too. I gotta throw love. All of our customers out there, I can't leave you out. You know what I mean? So up front, this just looks so iconic. Did gloss black there, gloss black. Did even painted this lower texture part here, magnetic as well. Inside the headlight, did black with a magnetic around there. Projector beam, carbon or magnetic all the way across the middle bar, a correlating two-tone right there. I mean, the front end is so legit. That's all you got to say. It's sitting so clean. The valence removal and painting this is so much premium as well that, I mean, like, got to step up, got to take notice because we're putting you on blast right there, y'all. I'm telling you, we got an amp research power board. Obviously, you can get power steps, but from the factory. But here's our all black set here, just looking so clean. Typically, the factory one has a chrome strip there, so I like the amp research aftermarket. It fits nice and snug also. Got body cover door handles, black with a top matching cap there and magnetic. Now our Willies tire combo, we are on Fuel Sledge. This is a matte black facing with a gloss black lip. Simulated bead locks, 285, 65, 20. It's 34.8, so I'm rounding up. We are 3-inch lifted on 35s. I love it. It's a classic wheel on aggressive but smooth riding tire. And as Dayton mentioned, on the inside, we've got leather and just a great, nice front dash, dual climate control, heated seats, blind spot monitor, great options. And we didn't just put 2 headrest TVs. We've got 2 more on the back side too. I'm gonna open the trunk area back here because like this is a money shot right here. Like from the rear right here, you got all 4. Like, can you imagine?
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, we got 4. You know, Mr. Sims just said, we got to step up and do it big. So we got 4 of these bad boys going on. Like, think about if you were in high school and you riding around in this with 4 screens rolling with music videos. Now they're gonna have the family riding around watching all kind of movies. You know, it's just a cool, epic way to travel. Out back, y'all, this is power function as well, but we got a black this chrome portion out. Did the same matching badge out back. I'm telling you, these taillights are changing the game where we do our black and leave the reflective portions and light emitting through this portion, so a fully legal tail light, but gets rid of all that red, has such a clean overall appearance. And out back to where your hitch is, we did texture remove on that gray portion and did black on that. All I got left to do is get my money side shot. We got to get this side shot right here because this is my favorite. Just right here, 3 inches standing tall on 35s. I'm getting out the way actually. That's so clean. And then the magnetic color with that gray is so clean and classy. It doesn't show dirt or scratches near as bad. I mean, if you can buy Expedition anywhere, but you cannot, I repeat, you cannot buy a Covert Edition like this anywhere else but Akins and Willies in Winder, Georgia. That sounds very country like I talk, but we're some smart folks, y'all. We got it going on with this vehicle right here. It's ready to roll. I'm Neal, and this is Dayton.
Appreciate it, guys.
Come see us. Peace out.